Hey guys, I'm going to be walking you through our at-home teeth whitening routine with our teeth whitening kit and the day and night toothpaste. So keep watching to find out how you can get white teeth and help with teeth stains. Our at-home teeth whitening kit has been designed to deliver whitening results and help remove teeth stains in just 6 days, all whilst at home. Our peroxide-free whitening formula whitens and brightens your teeth without any pain or sensitivity, which I'm sure you understand is a big bonus. Have you ever experienced tooth sensitivity with any other teeth whitening products in the past? This is what is included in our HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. 1 LED light, 1 mouth tray, 3 whitening gels, 1 shade guide to colour match the shade of your teeth before starting and after. It also has some tips on the back of the box to help achieve optimal results. Our at-home teeth whitening kit is super easy to use, so take a look at how to use it. First, begin brushing your teeth with our Night Toothpaste to clean your teeth. I'll walk through our toothpaste in more detail soon. Then take a before photo with the shade guide. Make sure you keep this, as you will need this again after your 6 applications to compare your whitening results. Take the LED light and mouth tray and attach these together just like this. Now take a teeth whitening gel, and as you can see on the side, there are quarter measurements, so you will only need to use half of the gel for 1 application. So of course, this will mean the gel syringe will give you 2 applications. So apply the first quarter of the syringe on the front of the mouth tray on the line provided, and the other quarter on the back of the mouth tray. You're now ready to whiten your teeth. So pop the teeth whitening kit in your mouth, wiggle it around a bit to ensure the gel is touching the front surface of all of your teeth. Then press the button on top. This will turn the LED light on, which will then automatically turn off after 10 minutes. I recommend repeating the process once per night after brushing your teeth for 6 consecutive nights, and then followed by 1 use every 2 weeks to maintain optimal results. Now moving on to our day and night toothpaste. As you can see, I have 2 tubes here. One is our day toothpaste for each morning, and the other is our night toothpaste for each night. Our day toothpaste is designed to prevent stains from occurring throughout the day, so if you love your morning coffee or can't skip a red wine at dinner, then this is perfect for you. Use this each morning before breakfast to ensure your teeth are protected for the day. Our night toothpaste removes stains and gradually whitens your teeth, and this should be used every night before bed. Our at-home teeth whitening kit and our day and night toothpaste work hand in hand and are an essential duo to your daily routine. As you will achieve visible whitening results with our teeth whitening kit, using our day and night toothpaste at the same time will help to maximise your results and make them last longer. You can purchase our HiSmile at-home teeth whitening kit and day and night toothpaste in our starter set. You will receive 1 teeth whitening kit and 1 day and night toothpaste, and here is the pricing in your local currency. The starter set can be found online via our website www.hismileteeth.com, and I've also linked this in the description below. Are you thinking about trying our HiSmile Starter Set? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.